Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of our favorite pieces of furniture, and this is one of my favorites. You guys, it's from Best Choice Products. I love their products. They're one of my favorite brands on all of Amazon, and you guys are gonna love this three-piece, like sectional modular sofa. First of all, it is faux leather, so vegans rejoice, but their faux leather, you guys, it looks and feels amazing. The padding on the inside also super comfortable. This is gonna be a crazy comfortable piece of furniture. It's also durable, built to last. Best Choice Products has amazing products. They are built totally well, just really high quality, and it's gonna be a piece of furniture that you buy and you know that it's gonna last for years and years. I love you guys. Okay, so it's like 3 seats. One has a Chaise lounge. The Chaise lounge part of it is actually reversible when you put it together, so you can put it on either side, which is amazing. It gives you so many options that, you know, this is gonna work in your house, you know, regardless of how you wanna set it up. And I just think it's a really cool thing because if you maybe you're not even planning on moving, but if you do move and you need to, you know, take your couch with you, obviously, and maybe that room is arranged differently or set up differently, you want to have pieces of furniture that are going to, you know, adapt with you and move with you. So I just think it's always a good idea when you're getting a larger piece of furniture like this sectional to have it be one that you can flip the sides on. It's a no-brainer. Don't be in a situation where you get one that doesn't do that and then you're stuck with a piece of furniture that doesn't work in your environment. You don't want that. So this is great for that. It also has that really big oversized ottoman, which I love because it gives you so many different options for setup. It gives you the ottoman, it can be pushed together and you almost have this big rectangle like bed space, which is just awesome for your, you know, your Netflix and chill and just hanging out and, you know, having that really, really big lounge space. It can be an extension of this Chaise lounge to give you more room there, but also this ottoman, because it's like that leather tufted and just kind of firm foam underneath it, you can set things on it. So if you're gonna need to set your plate or your drink or whatever, it kind of acts as the coffee table as well. So just super, super convenient in so many different ways. It can act as so many different things. This is an amazing small space solution setup. It's at a great price. You guys know that you need a new sofa. Go ahead, put this in your cart. You'll be so glad that you did.